Hello everyone, welcome back to the Vitamin Bounty Cooking Show. My name is Ana Paula and I'll be teaching you today how to do a very delicious and keto-friendly smoothie bowl that will help you improve your energy levels and support fat burning. To make this recipe even better, I'll be adding the Burn on Keto from Vitamin Bounty. This powerful supplement is designed to support your metabolism while keeping your energy levels high, and all of that while on keto. Now let's get into this recipe. First, I'm adding to my blender unsweetened natural yogurt. By adding yogurt to my smoothie bowl, it helps the smoothie be super creamy and delicious. It also adds healthy fats, protein, and calcium. Next, I add to the blender a handful amount of frozen strawberries. And continuing my recipe by adding 1 banana for better texture and sweetness. Now it's time to add the main character, the Burn on Keto by Vitamin Bounty. All I need is to add 1 capsule for nutritional support with magnesium, potassium, and MCT for energy, cramp relief, and nutrient optimization. And the last ingredient that I'll be using for my smoothie bowl is peanut butter, which is loaded with so many good health-promoting nutrients, including vitamin E, magnesium, iron, and vitamin B6. This bowl is not only delicious, but it also helps keep you on track with your keto goals. If you're looking for a simple way to support fat burning and energy levels, Burn on Keto is the perfect addition to your routine. I finished my smoothie bowl by adding my favorite toppings, which include dark chocolate chips, almonds, chia seeds, and finally, coconut flakes, making my smoothie bowl even more tasty and delicious. Now, here we have the final look. And of course, we need to do a taste test on camera so you guys can see my reaction when trying this smoothie bowl. It was so delicious, you guys have no idea. It came out even better than I expected, and I cannot wait to do it again soon. Check the link in our bio to grab your own Burn on Keto from Vitamin Bounty and take your keto journey to the next level. And don't forget, if you want to save 15% on your purchase, use this exclusive discount, YouTube15, at checkout. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode of the Vitamin Bounty Cooking Show. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.